Good morning. I'm actually now in my department here in Oslo, and today I'm actually going out to an island not too far away. So if you want to come, please do. Alright, I just gotta jump in here because for some strange reason I started filming with no sound, which means you will not understand anything I said out there on the island. So, hold on. So I just need to explain what's going on. Before I went out there, hold on. There we go. Before I went out there, I knew enough that I was pretty sure we had a problem with the freshwater system. So I brought this powder which allows me to see where the water is going. It has this very distinct green color to it, so you know, it's just perfect to see where fresh water or any type of water in any type of system is going. And now I put that stuff inside the heat exchanger, which is a closed circuit system, and now I see that it goes out with the exhaust, and that is not a good thing. It's not supposed to be that way. Also, we get pressure from the exhaust pushing water up through the lid on top of the heat exchanger. So this is not good for the engine. It's going to lose all its water and it's going to heat up. So I need to talk to the customer and see what's going on, but we can jump back to the island. I will put some music on the footage, and you can just see me finish up, and then I will get out of there and come back to where I am right now. That's the way it is sometimes when you are a YouTuber, you know, you just never know. All right. Velkommen, sir.
Tack.
Wow, that was so much fun. I just didn't have a care in the world. I was just driving around, clearing my head and enjoying my time on the blasi folding motorbike. It did not disappoint. It was a little bit difficult uphill though, but what can you expect? The engine is not really that big. It's a 2-stroke 50cc engine. cc basically meaning cubic centimeters, so we're talking engine size here. And you know, it's not big, but it was so much fun. I think if you want to know more about this bike, you can go online, of course, and just search blasi. You know, I read a little bit about it, and I know it's Italian built, and they started way back in the 50s, and this guy blasi started everything, and I think they started production on this particular bike back in the 70s. And it's just perfect because you just fold it up and put it in your boat or your car or your plane or whatever you want and just go. But you know what? Enough of this. I need to pay the bills, and this doesn't really do that. So I gotta go. All right. Alright guys, I'm just gonna go out and do a job, make some money, but I think I'm gonna end the episode right here, and we'll see you next time for more mechanics and whatever here on the docks of Norway. Thank you for watching. Alright.